Peace and serenity to you, our family. I hope everyone is good. Welcome back to my channel. My name is Sisi, Sisi, and on this channel I talk about akooooo. It's African spirituality, to be precise, for those who are not aware. And it's originated from Ghana, West Africa. So if you are interested, please stay tuned. And this week we are going to talk about the energy, how we are going to be influenced. So the first card is the Temperance. I hope you can see it. The Temperance. And it's all about balance, patience, inner peacefulness. Inner peace or peacefulness? I hope you understand it. Inner tranquility. Yeah, as I always say, peace and serenity. So yeah, that's peace, serenity right there. Inner balance, stay grounded. In all the decisions that you have to make this week, go through it, all the documents, see the pros and cons before taking your decisions. And always remember who you are. Don't let anything, and we go here, the second one, the Ten of Swords, sword, betrayal, bad mouth, gossiping, failure, being depressed. So right here, and I love this tarot deck because it's really modern. So for those who are really social media person, please, when you are on your social media, Instagram, TikTok, Snapchat, whatever, please be mindful of your words. Be mindful who and what you are following, and study what is triggering you, what triggers your depressions, your bad mood or bad energy. What triggers it? Because, for example, if you are you are not in good mood, you are not really protected energy-wise, and you keep following people who are on vacation, people who are having things that you want to have that are not yet here for you, it may be really draining. It can drain your energy. So if you are not really protected, if you know you can be easily triggered, please stay away. And also, I just keep hearing, it could be the week where things that have been hidden from you, things that maybe the group of friends, the table that you are not invited, but you keep bringing yourself, and each time you leave that table, you feel drained, you feel depressed, you feel devalued. It's the week that all will come surface, and you have to deal with it. You have to know what triggers you, and where you are invited and where you are not. And we go to the Six of Cups. It's all about celebration, past life, childhood memories, things that bring you happiness, things that the place where you are celebrated, the place that you are uplifted. Sorry, today I don't know. I keep buffering with my words. The place where you are invited, you are celebrated, you love to be there, and they love to be with you. So when you leave this table that you are not invited, The next one is you have a place, or you need to create your place. The memories that you have in your past life, the memories of your childhood, all the good things that have come to you in this lifetime or past life, if you remember, all the people around you who encourage you in any way or form, that keep you moving forward, motivate you, inspire you. You need to go to that place. So this week, stay balanced, find your inner peace, be grounded. You will find all the things, all the not so good things that maybe you yourself are hiding from others, or others have been hiding from you, or the inner trauma, the inner pain that will suffice. Deal with it, but take it easily with yourself, and always remember how worthy you are. And no matter how many times you have fall, remember you have a place where you can uplift yourself. It can be your inner temple, your family, your group of friends, or that someone or yourself, that little message on Instagram, on any form of social media, any platform that uplifts you. It is this week you need to stay more on that place instead of staying where you feel hurt, where you feel unwanted. So that was it for the Oracle Tarot card. So let me bring out the Oracle card. So this is the 3 Oracle card. So the first one is Guardian Angel. You are not alone. So always remember, no matter how difficult things get, no matter how down you feel, how difficulties situation you are in, remember you are never alone. Your guardian angels, your ancestors, your orishas, your oris, they are all with you, your highest divine self. So always remember you are not alone. And the second one is mountains, stand your ground. And here the temperance is balance and ground. So you need to stand on your ground, stand firm on your decisions. Don't be undecisive. Be disciplined, respect your boundaries, set your boundaries, respect them, and make sure who is around you also follows and respects it. And the third and the last is peacekeeper. Peacekeeper, let go of the need to be right. Let go of the need to be right. So all the pains, all the things that you would discover, maybe things that have already happened that you are aware of, or things that are yet to be discovered by you, no matter how hurtful it is. Please forgive yourself, forgive the other person. Even if they are not saying sorry, forgive yourself and set yourself free. Be the peacekeeper, but set your boundaries and protect yourself. Much love to you all. Have a wonderful week ahead. Bye-bye.